Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming my April favorites. I know, it's April. Spring's here and like warm weather seems to be eluding us, but it's slowly creeping its way in and I am so here for it. So excited. I can't wait. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in. First favorite, because I'm about to reach for it, I might as well talk about it. Very Berry Hibiscus from Starbucks. My favorite drink. Always get it with extra berries and light ice. It's the best. Moving right along. Keeping on with the theme of food before we hop into the other favorites. So earlier this past month in April, I took a trip to Nigeria, which was amazing for a ton of different reasons, but mainly because I got to see a part of my heritage and family that I have not seen in over 20 years. Because I don't get to go back as often as other members of my family do. So I was super excited about that trip, and that trip was amazing in every aspect and just had so much fun actually being there with my family members and being there with like almost all my siblings and getting to see parts of my family that I just haven't seen. And it's crazy to see someone that you've only ever heard on the phone, and I just enjoyed all my time there. I am definitely going to be showing you pictures and stuff of the foods that I ate while I was there, which, oh my god, faves as it is. Like, I ate so much. But one of my favorites that is consistently a favorite for me, and I get every single time someone goes to Nigeria and I'm like, please bring this back for me, and I made sure to stock up on bags and bags and bags while I was there, are these cute little cubes. They're these little cubed candies. I'm not sure if it'll come into focus or not, but they're these little cubed candies, and they're called Chocomilo, and I love them. They're chocolate based. Honestly, it's literally like a condensed and like very pressurized together version of I think you guys here have it as Ovaltine or like even like Nesquik, but it's amazing and I love them, and I literally pop them like Tic Tacs. Like the way people eat orange Tic Tacs is how I eat these. I love them so much. Next item, we are going to jump right into skincare and like beauty related stuff then. So we're veering completely off track from food. My first skincare slash beauty related favorite is the Bath and Body Works Hand Hero Ultra Relief Hand Cream. And it comes in like this huge jar like this, which Bath and Body Works, please make a travel size version. Thanks. But I love this hand lotion. It is amazing. And I love that it comes in a pump like this so I can actually keep it at my desk. But it's one of my favorite hand lotions because it is so moisturizing, has paraffin in it, but it seeps into the skin and just has like a protective coating on your hands and fingers that just like, it just works. I love it. It's one of my favorite hand lotions. It actually used to be the True Blue Spa hand lotion, and this is the one I keep in my purse because I did buy like a ton of them while they were still in stock. And it then got discontinued and they started making the new packaging of it and included it in their active line. Which I went there every day, like, when are you guys getting them back in? Because mama's hands is dry. But yeah, I love them. It's my favorite. One of my favorites. Next on my favorites list would be the Mario Badescu skincare this is the facial spray in the aloe, herb, and rose water. Now, I know there's like a lot of controversy on the Mario Badescu's facial sprays, but one of my coworkers, Alexa, got me hooked on these last summer. And honestly, it is my favorite way to hydrate and just kind of like re-oomph my makeup during the day now. And I have all the scents, all of them. I'm pretty sure there's a review coming soon on my blog, but yes, I have all of them because I love them so much. And I have mini versions that I keep in my purse. The love is real. If you know me, which I say that a lot on my blog, but I do. If you know me, one of my favorite summer scents, and it's like the one thing that I like, I'm stocked up to the max of, is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is one of my favorite lotions because it smells like, it's hard to describe the scent. It's like salted caramel meets summer and pistachio. It just smells like what summer should smell like. And it's amazing. I love how moisturizing it is on the body. It gives like a toning effect as well when it's on my legs, and I get a lot of compliments when I wear this lotion. People are always like, oh my god, what's that smell? And I'm like, it's me, thanks. I smell amazing. And I just love the way it is. Like, I love it. It's one of my favorite summer scents, and I literally think I have at least 4 or 5 jars of this actually currently stocked up, so I don't run out like at all during this summer. And I love the travel size ones just because I know if I open one of these and I use it, it'll last me the month, and then I don't have to worry about using, like, running out or having too much like over. For some reason I can only use it in the summer months. So, and great for travel. Favorite are the ColourPop empty eyeshadow palettes. I have a lot of them, and these are just the ones that are full. So, one of my favorite things lately has been to buy empty eyeshadow palettes and fill them up with eyeshadows. So these ones has like all my blue shadows here. I really, in the last year or so, just stopped buying actual eyeshadow palettes that were pre-made, because I always end up using like 1 or 2 or maybe 3 of the shades in like a 7 shade palette. And then those other ones that I don't use are just there. And I figured, you know, if I bought individual shadows, I can actually create my ideal palette. Create something that works for me, and every shade works for me. So I just started gravitating more to that and picking up more of those styles of palettes. Like, so I have this one here. I'm not going to tip it because I think I broke one of the shadows, but it's just like all oranges and yellows. And then I have another one that has all my neutral brown shades, and like, and I can also tell when I've hit pan on something so I can replace it. This has like all my neutral brown shades in there. The only thing, the downside about these is they're not great for travel because they do not have a mirror. You'd have to pack a mirror separate, but it fits 24 shades in here, so that's great if you want to like just pack your single shadows in a separate mirror. Now I also have all my purples and then like miscellaneous random ones that didn't fit in the other palettes in there, and I like them because I have them pretty much labeled in the holder that they go into. So if I'm doing an eye look and I want to do purples, I know to like reach for that palette, and everything works concurrently to the way it looks. You know, I need to blend out my crease with the color, it's right there. So I really love it. Like, the neutral one stays on my desk every day because I know I'm going to use it. It's one of my favorites, and I just really love it. My next item I actually picked up while I was leaving for my trip in the duty-free area of the airport. This is the MAC Studio Water Wave powder, and I did not know if I was going to like this. I actually only bought this because the woman there recommended it to me, and she was such a sweet, kind soul, and I actually ended up adding her on Instagram because she was so sweet and so like wonderful. But she actually recommended that I buy it because she said that she really likes this powder and how lightweight it is, and I was telling her that I left my mineralized skin finish at home, and she said this is comparable and it's very lightweight, especially since I was going to such a warm, humid part of the world. So I love it. I have it in shade Dark Deepest, which is also the shade that I have in my MAC Millennium Skin Finish. I like that there's like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is slightly darker on this side than it is on this side, and I love that. My next item, I have a love-hate relationship with it. Mostly hate right now because e.l.f. decided to discontinue it on me, and I did not know, so I did not stock up like I usually do, and I'm pissed. But it is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare found mascara, and I think I have reviewed this and put it in the favorites before, but I love it because look at that. That's the brush. Like, do you see this? It's like, not like, it looks like nothing's there, but it's perfect for getting your under eye and perfect for really just coating my lashes. So my favorite way to use this mascara here is to apply my falsies and then use it to kind of meld the two together, because it gives a nice application of mascara without making it too goopy or clumpy or putting too much mascara on my actual falsies, which can ruin them. And I also love this on the bottom lash line to make my bottom lashes stand out more, if that's what the look calls for. So overall, it's one of my favorites, but it's discontinued. I think I have a dupe for it that I discovered, and I ordered 3 of them. Probably should have made sure that it was an actual dupe before I got them, but I will let you guys know, hopefully in the next favorites, if it ends up becoming something I really like. But guys, thank you so much for bearing with me through this video. That is it for my April favorites. So I would love to know down below what are your April favorites? What did you love? What was your favorite memory, favorite experience, even favorite book? Let me know. Bye guys.